Well, hello. We're already on Thursday here in central Louisiana, and the clouds are rolling in. Our tower cam on Texas Street, we're still live broadcasting looking toward the west. We see the glow of the sun, but the close clouds are moving in after a mostly sunny day so far. Changes are coming in the weather pattern, and it's going to happen more than once. Leesville was still mostly cloudy over in that direction. We have temperatures in the upper 50s and 60s, early 60s, low 60s for today. So weather headlines coming in: storms Sunday, some severe potential with that. We'll take a look at it. And then colder coming back in next week. And so a temperature roller coaster, I suppose, is what we're going to have coming up over the next several days and into next week. Right now, the surface features, first of all, you see those little low clouds across Texas. Another front on the way. That one will come through Friday. But notice the clouds kind of sneaking into Louisiana from the west. That's what we're looking at, heading in that direction with our tower cam views. And so the weather pattern, again, maybe a little bit of shower activity overnight with that, some of that. I would say the chance is not zero, but I think once we get up at 7 o'clock, say Friday morning, back on our way to work, just think we'll see some clouds in that time frame. And then going into the remainder of the day, coming home at 5 o'clock, no issues on your commute back home. And then Saturday morning, for folks maybe out hunting, we've got some clouds coming back, maybe some hit and miss showers, especially as we head into the PM hours, but nothing big. Big story, is the cold, which will move into the area. This is Saturday's upper level feature. Remember, this is warm air, warm colors, cold colors. This is the colder air. And so we see a batch of cold air on its way here by Saturday evening. You can see that it comes across by Monday. So a strong front associated with that severe weather risk on Sunday. And we'll see temperatures tumble on Monday behind that particular front. And then looking ahead throughout the rest of that time frame, still cold air holding in across the area. But the focus of it, the worst of it, will be up east, away from us. But it's going to be plenty cold for us. I think once it warms up after that, you'll say, well, it's pretty chilly, but we have had worse. Right? And so looking beyond into Monday week, we'll see maybe some warming as a little opposite pattern, cold offshore, but remaining a cold trough out to the west of us. That may actually kick up some rain chances in the forecast as well, beyond the 7-day that is. So for the next 7 days, this is what we're looking at. Friday, pretty much a dry front coming in, although overnight tonight, as the moisture builds up, we could see some hit and miss showers, but I think once that front dominates, it will kick out any rain chances. 45 and 64 for your temperatures on Friday. So a little above seasonal levels, but we start to turn a little cooler Saturday behind that front. And I did put in 20%. A lot of clouds on Saturday. I don't think you'll see a lot of sun that day. But a low rain chance. Rain chances will increase just a tad Saturday night, and then Sunday, rain and storms in the forecast as we head probably about the noon to midnight time frame is where I'm looking at most of the stormy activity. Could be a little chance of rain hanging in after midnight Sunday. So the front comes in, there's your severe weather risk, and it's kind of a mild day ahead of that. But look how temperatures just really drop off the rock there on Monday with that strong front coming in. It's actually two fronts. The first one Sunday will be more of a Pacific front coming more out of the west. The one Monday coming more out of the north, carrying the coldest air. So you see the temperatures just plummeting there on Monday. A freeze expected Monday after that high in the 70s. We're in the 20s for lows. Pretty big drop, folks. Be ready for that. Sometimes folks call that a cold wave because the temperature drops quickly. Going into Tuesday, a moderate to hard freeze here in central Louisiana. If we get that 25 average across Cenla, that will be the coldest weather since January of 2024. When we had, I think, 17th, it was down to 12 degrees. So I don't see anything like that. Mostly sunny sky will kind of temper the chill, though, during the day, but a high of only 42. Another 42 Wednesday, another moderate to hard freeze Wednesday morning with that. And I've had to insert a 10% chance of rain or something there as we head into Wednesday and Thursday to about 20% there. Now, those temperatures, much of that above normal, so we're kind of safely above freezing, but it's all in the timing of the temperatures and the moisture And so the bottom line that I can give is there going to be ice or snow? The quick answer is yes, but the chance is very low. As you can see here, about a 10 to 20% in the forecast. Now, you may be seeing some folks showing the GFS on social media platforms or even using it in their forecast. That's by far the most aggressive operational model that we're seeing so far. So right now, I'm going to kind of go on this edge, the lower end of the percentage for any frozen types of precipitation or wintry stuff during that Wednesday, Thursday time frame. So Nick Mickens will be back with you in the morning, and he'll give you his thoughts. And tomorrow's Friday, so I'll be around, and we'll see what I have to say in the evening hours. Take care and have